Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. If you are new here, do well to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you're an old member, thanks for watching.
In today's video, I will introduce you to USDT earning platform, where you will earn USDT as daily income simply by grabbing orders daily. For registration, enter an email, login password, transaction password, and do well to have an invite code and then tap on register now. After registering, you'll find the recharge and withdrawal, as well as the salary description on the homepage, and when you scroll down, you will see the VIPs at the business hall. After creating an account, you'll automatically get $15 sign-up bonus, which will help you purchase any of the VIPs. Now, if you come to VIP, you see the amount you will earn per task, monthly income, and daily income, as well as the amount you have to get to purchase any of the VIPs. So for example, if you recharge $12 to purchase VIP 1, you'll earn $1.35 daily and monthly income of $40.5. Also, you earn $6.78 daily and $203.4 monthly if you buy VIP 2. The profit you'll earn depends on your level of VIP. I want to recharge my account, so I'll come to the homepage and then select recharge. So I will copy the USDT address and then go to my wallet to make payment. I will paste the USDT address and enter the amount I want to recharge. When I am done, I will come back and tap on submit. My recharge is complete, so I will come back and check my account balance. The amount has reflected, so I will go to the homepage and start grabbing the orders. I will tap on VIP 1 because it has been activated. I have to complete the 3 tasks to earn profit before I make the withdrawal. I am done with the 3 tasks, so I will come to withdrawal and bind my USDT address. I will tap on submit and add my withdrawal method. I will paste my USDT address and enter my transaction password. I have successfully bind my address, so I have to enter the amount I want to withdraw and my payment password. My withdrawal has been submitted, so I will wait for some time and check my account balance. If you come to Team, you'll be able to find your referral code and your invitation link to invite your friends. When you invite friends to the platform and they recharge, you will earn some commission as referral bonus, and when you come to salary description on the homepage, you will be able to see the percentage of commission you'll earn depending on the level of your subordinates. For example, you'll earn 12% commission from your direct subordinate and 5% from member B and 3% from member C when they recharge. My withdrawal has reflected, so I'll go to my wallet and check. The amount has been paid and there was no network or withdrawal charges. If you tap on this icon, you'll be able to chat the customer service if you have any problems. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications to get notifications when I upload new videos.